Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. Just going to run through a way that you can use your feet and your hips to reduce your chance of injury and also stabilise through the hips and pelvis really well and activate the glutes, which are often a little bit lazy. So what we're going to do is put your feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to try and get your feet balanced or your weight balanced over both feet 50-50. So take a little while just to get that set. And then from that position, we're going to just focus on one foot at a time, and you're going to focus on the balls of the feet just under these 2 points here and the heel. So if you think of those 3 points as a tripod, you're going to try and equalize your weight on those 3 points. We're going to do that both sides. So do one first and then the other. So you've got 50-50, and then you've got your weight evenly on those 3 points on each foot. So from there, you're going to spiral into the ground. So you're going to try and turn your toes out. So you're going to lock them in and screw through the ground, try and turn your toes outwards. So what you'll find is that you get your glutes will start to activate, your glutes through the buttocks, and you'll find that you'll probably start to notice that your arches might increase a little bit. So from that position, we're going to bring the toe, the big toe, base just here, and we're going to bring it in towards the heel. So you're going to focus on that. So that's going to strengthen the arch even further. So that's a really strong position to do any movement from. If you're standing, doing the dishes, standing in line somewhere, it's a great way to practice it. But also if you're doing squats and anything in the gym, even if it's bicep curls, you're still switching on all those muscles. So you're starting to move your body in a different way, protect your joints, and look after your other tissues.